did the mole suddenly decided to stop cleaning and came out of his hole? Answer 1. The mole had been working very hard all morning to clean his house and was tired now, so he decided to stop cleaning and came out of his hole. Question 2. How did the mole feel when he saw the river for the first time? The mole felt exciting and joyful when he saw the river for the first time. Question 3. What did the water rat look like? Answer 3. The water rat looked like a tiny star, had a brown little face with whiskers, small neat ears and thick silky hairs. Question 4. What did the water rat tell the mole about the river? Answer 4. The water rat told the mole that the river was like brother and sister to him, and that it was his whole world. Question 5. What did the water rat tell the mole about the wide world? Answer 5. According to the rat, the wide world existed beyond the wide wood. The rat had never seen the wide world and never wanted to go there. He warned the mole against it and advised him not to refer to that place again. Think and answer. Question 1. The rat helped the mole and guided him about unknown things. Why do you guidance is important in life? Why do you think guidance is important in life? Answer 1. Guidance means giving someone advice and support. Getting our goals. Thank you friends. Bye bye.